Okay.
Alright. Shin, can I respond or move on na tayo?
Okay, well, we only have 45 minutes left. I mean 15 minutes left. We've been on that 45-minute mark
It's okay.
na. Pero
We can extend a
if you
little bit
want
kasi
to
we started
actually
late.
answer,
Okay lang
I'm
naman sa akin
completely fine with
if
that. Yeah.
yung
Ay,
moderator
okay.
na lang. Sige. Basta I'm fine. Yung moderator,
Yeah.
your
Sorry,
call.
Sige.
you guys are fine. You guys are okay. So go ahead, Mr. Tan, if you want to answer.
Okay. So, yung tanong, yung binanggit mo na attorney, sabi mo na ang bawal ay yung pagfa-file ng 3 impeachment complaint. Tama ba pagkaintindi ko?
Hindi. Ang bawal yung ma-violate yung 1 year per impeachment proceedings.
Okay.
Yung 1 year bar
Okay.
rule.
So, tama. Bawal nga yun so, hindi bawal yung mag-file ng 3. Ang sinasabi mo lang, bawal na 3 ang ma-initiate in terms of impeachment proceedings. Agree tayo doon?